Hello guys, welcome back to another Lumley trading video. In this one we're going to be looking at GNS. It was a big gap up before. It had a pullback coming into Friday, and today obviously continuing that strong momentum. We're up 80% as we're recording this video. So what are we looking at going forward? So as always, when we're doing technical analysis, we're looking at the standard deviation channels. On the left we have a 6-month, on the right we have a 1-year chart. What are we looking at as resistances? And really what is key to be watching is where have we started to pull back intraday. So 622, this is our first deviation on second deviation on the 1-year chart. So again, if we go more into an intraday chart, we can see, and this is why these levels are so key, this really provided a good day trade. Again, ones like this, if you can swing it on options, okay, they can be quite good trades. You can see there is no options to be trading on this. So this, to me personally, is only a day trading opportunity. So that would have provided a good day trading opportunity. Obviously, if it's coming out to these deviations and there's options, then there's potential swing trades, at least from how I trade. But to me, I don't like the risk of holding these short overnight if there's no options to at least hedge it with, or just trading the underlying option is usually a bit easier anyway. So 622, again, we've hit this resistance. It looks like we're pulling back. Again, we could see a pullback back to around 475. This wouldn't be unlikely to see before we continue up. So again, be watching for this. We could continue this pullback to around here. If this level holds, then it's good confirmation that we'll probably break this 622 and continue higher. And if we do, what are going to be further off targets? We're going to be looking at 750, 975, and final levels taking us out to around 10.30 and $13.25. Now, obviously, some of these levels are very far off on the resistance side, but considering how much this stock has already short squeezed, I mean, we go from 82 cents to around $5. You know, a 600% move in 3 trading days. It could definitely continue further. And again, look at this. When it opened, massive squeeze, then a massive crash. And again, we've had a few big moves on this stock in the past. So wouldn't be unlikely to see these kind of moves. It's just all about being prepared and what trading opportunities can we get. Again, I probably won't be trading this because I don't really trade small caps anymore. But if I am, or if I do decide to trade it, again, I'll only be trading it as a day trade, not anything I'll be looking to hold overnight. Now, what else would I be paying attention to? So again, if or when this move kind of starts to cool down and we start to pull back, there may be potential long bias plays to get on the deviation levels on the pullbacks. And again, these will just be bounces. Again, because this is more of a squeeze, I wouldn't look to hold a stock on these pullback levels. Like again, yeah, cool, we can get a good bounce trade opportunity, but I wouldn't look to, you know, buy the 250 and expect it to go back to 475, because once we pull back that far, again, it's probably not the most likely thing to happen considering we've now retested this level. And that's again why we kind of got this bounce today. So these would be the 2 key supports. And again, if I was holding it short, these would be my targets. And again, that's all I'd really be paying attention to going lower, because our statistical means have turned negative considering overall the stock has been in a strong downtrend over the past 6 months and 1 year. Anyway, that is the breakdown on GNS. If you did enjoy the video, why not drop a like and subscribe and check out this analysis video.